Good morning, everybody. Sunday morning here in Texas, West Houston, Katy, Texas. I've been wanting this Solo Stove for a while. It's a Solo Stove Bonfire. I bought the kit that has the stand in it, so I thought I would unbox it here, show you what's inside of it, and give you a use. This is supposed to burn hotter. It's supposed to be less smoke. I think I paid, and I paid with my money, not a sponsored ad here, but $329 total, including the stand. So let's open it up and see what we got. Really packed in this styrofoam there. I'd say that was pretty easy so far. This is the fire ring. When you want to burn it, you turn it upside down like that. Okay. We got some instructions. I think the thing to do with those right now is just put them right there. Got a little nylon carrying case. I'll show you what that looks like when it's all bagged up. Here's the stand that came with it. Let's get that out. Little Solo Stove sticker. I'll add that to my cooler. But this is what you get inside. It's double wall. This is the ash pan that you get there. So air comes in. You see these holes. Hopefully, I don't know if you can see those or not, but the holes here. Air comes in from the bottom, gets super heated, and when it gets going, that's where it gets smokeless. So let's set this up. Okay, now we have that on there. You just put that in there like that. We'll get a little fire going and we'll see what we got. Okay, just setting up some just some kindling in here. Got some paper, some kind of dryer lint. We use these when we go camping. I have some really dry wood here that we'll get. Recommends your wood pieces be no longer than 16 inches, and I think I'm pretty good on those. They also really recommend that the wood itself does not come above this fire ring if you're really trying to keep it smokeless there. So we'll hold off on that piece there. Put a couple more just kind of pieces of kindling around there, and then let's fire this up. Let's really see how long this takes to light. I don't know if you can see that burning in there. But what I like about this thing is it's kind of breezy right now. I don't know if you could see that smoke coming out, but there's a little bit of smoke as this thing gets started. So it's 11:43 in the morning. Now it looks like the sun wants to kind of break out, so it might be harder and harder for you to see. But as this flame gets going, I'll pull it back and give you a chance to see the smoke. And let's see what we start to get. Here's a view where you can see, you know, the smoke. But that's expected. It's just when it starts. But as this thing gets really kicked off, you shouldn't see any smoke in here at all. So we'll come back to you here soon. I just wanted to give you a shot just to kind of look in there. I don't know how well you can see that, but that flame has really started. All I did was light a piece of paper, some lint stuck in a toilet paper roll, and this thing is going. So we'll come back here shortly and see how that flame looks. Here we are, 5 minutes from the point of when I started this fire. We're getting some good flames coming out. So I think this thing will probably need to burn about 15-20 minutes before we really start to experience it being smokeless, because it's just got to get hot enough for that super hot air to flow through the vent flows. But we'll come back and we'll show you that shortly. Just wanted to come back and show you. It's now about, I don't know, 8 minutes, 9 minutes, and we really have this fire going pretty well. It's still smoking pretty good right now, but like I said, hey, we'll give that, you know, probably about another, I don't know, 8 minutes or so, and that should get heated up enough to where that air starts to do it. But just wanted to cut. And what I really like about this thing is it's mobile, so I can take it camping with me. You know, all kinds of things I can do with this. So hang tight. You can kind of start to see the that flow that comes through those holes. That's the superheated air. But I don't know if you could see here, it's still smoking a little bit. That could just be my wood's a little bit wet. What I will say though is the smoke, what is coming off, is going straight up in the air. It's not blowing around. So if you were sitting around this, you wouldn't necessarily feel like a or smell like a campfire. But this is going. There's a lot of heat off of it. I'm probably a good 2.5 feet away, and I can feel the heat off of it. So we're gonna just kind of sit around, let this burn for a little while. This is the, I should have mentioned, I'm sorry, this is the Solo Stove Bonfire. I didn't mention that in the beginning. This is the Solo Stove Bonfire. And like I said, I paid for it with my own money there. But you know, this is camping. You know, roast marshmallows, make s'mores. We'll let this kind of burn, enjoy it for a little bit, and then I'll show you how we clean it out. This is what you're left with after the burn. Again, like I said, my wood was wet. Ordinarily, I would have expected that just to have burned down to a complete ash. But hang tight and we'll just show you how easy it is to clean it. Actually lost the video of cleaning it, but it's just simply you find a spot or another bucket, you dump the ashes in, and give it a wipe down. See how clean it empties out there. Take the fire ring, give that a wipe down as well. Now we're gonna put it away. Put the stand in there. Put this in there, and then we'll put it in our nylon tub, and we'll get a video of that. Okay, there it is in the little nylon container. Fits right in there. I'll just come and pull that tight there. Get that right there. Got two handles. Kind of get that over. And there you go. Pick it up and store it.